Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you the common error absent. You can say the video is about the grammatical mistake or common error, the word absent. So I'm giving you only first example. So it's a pity that you were absent from the training session. So I use the word absent from the training. Were absent that you were absent from the training season. So this is the training session. So this is the grammatical mistake this is a common error. So what is the meaning? It is a pity that you were absent from the training session. It is not an important and not official and officially supposed. So be absent. So you can say that the answer is that you missed the training session. This is the right, missed the training session. Or you can say it is a pity that you were not at the training session. This is correct. I used the you missed the training, and you were not at the training. This is the right. This is absent. When you would the absent, the word be absent. Be absent, not be present at something that you are officially supposed. Okay, to attend her teacher wanted to know why she'd been absent, because be absent was used not to be present at the something that you are officially supposed. So when you would the miss not be present at something, miss word miss not be present at something. As an example, she's missed a lot of classes at this term because of illness. So I won't miss Sandro's party for the word. And when you was the be at, because this is a be verb and at, when you use this one. So be present at something. So you can use miss or be at present something. Or you can say the miss not be present at something, or miss be at be present something, or miss not be present something. So I'm saying again, what when you would use the be absent, when you be absent, when you when the word meaning is the official is supposed. Officially suppose. Officially suppose. And the missed not be present something, and be at be present something. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with a new common error. Bye bye.